Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to see about clocks. What is a clock? An instrument that shows you what time it is. So that is a clock. Clocks are used to measure time intervals. So many clocks were used from ancient time. What is ancient time? A very long time ago. Next, scientists modified the clock mechanism in obtain accuracy. What is mean by accuracy? Accuracy means precise or correct. Next, types of clocks based on display. First one, analog clocks. Second one, digital clocks. Analog clocks. See the picture. The clock consists of a number of needles. So, this is an analog clock. Analog clock consists of 3 needles or 3 hands. Okay, so we will see one by one. So, first one, horse hand. So, it is short and thick. It shows only horse. Second, minute's hand. It is long and thin. It shows only minute. Third one, second hand. It is long and very thin. It shows only a second. It makes one rotation in 1 minute and 60 rotation in 1 hour. Analog clocks can be driven either mechanically or electronically. Next, digital clocks. Can you see the picture over there? What are digital clock? In digital clocks, you no need to search for hours or minute because it shows only as a numbers. A digital clock displays the time directly. It shows the time in numerals or other symbols. It may have a 12 hours or 24 hours display. Suppose if we see recent clocks are showing date, time, month, year, temperature, etc. Digital clocks are often called as electronic clocks. In railway station and all, you'd have noticed the time will be in 24 hours and that will be a digital clock. Types of clocks based on working mechanism. First one, quartz clock. Second one, atomic clock. Quartz clock. These clocks are activated by electronic oscillation, which are controlled by a quartz crystal. Okay, so what is mean by the quartz clock and what is mean by electronic oscillation or electronic oscillator? Electronic oscillation means electric signal or electrical waves. Okay, a kind of circuit produce continuous and repeated waveform or electric signal. It will convert direct current to alternative current and that controlled by crystal called quartz. That's why it is called as quartz clock. The frequency of vibrating crystal is very precise. So, the quartz clock is more accurate than mechanical clock. So, these clock have an accuracy of 1 second in every 10 power 9 second. 10 power 9 means giga value. You know that. After the 1, you put 90. So, that is 10 power 9. Okay. Atomic clocks. These clocks are making use of periodic vibration occurring with the atom. So due to the periodic vibration of atom, atomic clock worked. These clocks have an accuracy of 1 second in every 10 power 13 seconds. Where are these atomic clocks are used? Okay, so atomic clocks are used in Global Positioning System, GPS. GPS, it is a satellite navigation system. It is a network of satellite which can be used to locate the vehicle. Suppose if GPS is there, you can track the person while driving from one particular place to other place. Next, Global Navigation Satellite System. It is space based on the satellite. It provide alternative to GPS. So last one, International Time Distribution Service. See the picture. This is a atomic clock.